of the fire?
No, I swear.
Lies!
I'm not lying. How can you accuse me of this?
We have 24 witnesses, one of which is a 5-year-old girl.
I still didn't do anything.
Mm-hmm.
Oh!
Are you going to confess now?
No, I didn't do anything.
You threatened to burn down Thibault's house just to be free.
So I'm a slave and I want to be free?
Still, it didn't give you a right now, did it?
Yes, it actually does.
Is it with you? Take her to the Broadquins.
No!
Is it true? Were you at the scene of the fire?
No, I swear.
Lies!
I'm not lying. How can you accuse me of this?
Because we have 24 witnesses, which one of them is a girl. Oh my God!